In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize emails in SaneBox by topic. Whether you're managing a deluge of messages or trying to ensure that high-priority emails are front and center, SaneBox offers a powerful yet simple way to categorize your emails intelligently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for SaneBox. You'll want to click on the first link that appears or simply look for the URL sanebox.com. This will take you straight to the SaneBox website where you can get started. Once the SaneBox homepage has loaded, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up first. But today, we're assuming that you're already a SaneBox user and ready to optimize your email experience. After you've logged in, navigate your way to the Settings section. To find this, look for the menu or icon that usually features a gear or similar symbol for settings. Once in Settings, direct your attention to the Trainings and Filters section. Here, you'll select Subject Filters. These filters allow you to specify how incoming emails should be sorted based on the subject line content. You'll see the option to create a new filter. Here, you'll decide whether the email's subject should begin with, contain, or end with a specific keyword or phrase that you're interested in. This flexibility allows you to capture a wide range of similar emails. Next, type in the exact keyword or phrase related to the topic you want to filter. Common examples could include phrases like project update, meeting notes, or delivery notification. Do note that matching is case-insensitive, so no need to worry about capital letters here. After defining the subject parameters, choose the SaneBox folder where you'd like these emails to be automatically organized. For instance, if these are high-priority emails, you might select your primary inbox. Alternatively, you could use a custom folder like @SaneProjects for project-related emails, or @SaneLater for those of lower priority. If you want this filter to override any other existing SaneBox rules, make sure to check the box labeled Override Existing Trainings. This ensures your new filter is the primary rule applied to the specified emails. Finally, click ADD to create the filter. With that, any new and existing emails that match your criteria will automatically be moved to the designated folder, making it easier to manage your emails without sifting through your entire inbox constantly. And there you have it, a streamlined method to manage your emails in SaneBox by prioritizing certain topics. This setup should help you keep your inbox organized and ensure you're focused on the emails that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate the world of email management.